Hello, this tutorial is for the new update of Unreal 4.25 update and for the Android setup. And I will show you how you can install Android Studio and do basic setup inside Unreal with the new version. Also, you don't need a GDK, and if you have your old CodeWorks for Android SDK, you should delete it because I had some troubles, and if I had this old Android SDK, I take some errors. I just deleted this old, I'll restart my PC, install this new, I'll set up, and then it works. And how it's working and how to do this setup. Also, I will attach the link in the description to do this the same Android Studio setup. For that, you should agree. You need to scroll down a little bit. And inside here, we should take this one 3.5.3. We can press here to download this. I will pause the video for this. Now it's done, and I'm going to open this. Now it's done. Finish. We don't have any settings. We should write and press OK. Don't send. Uh, Next. Standard. For me, better just black. You can choose wherever you want, but I like for eyes better black color. And finish. It will take some time. I will pause the video. Now it's done. We can press finish just, and we can start a new Android project. Just for testing, we will open this guy and that's all. Yeah, great. All is working now. We already installed this Android Studio. Now we should connect via Unreal this. And for now, we should open disk, program files, uh, Epic Games, the new version, the last one also, 4.25, and then engine extracts Android. And for now, we should open the setup Android. We should press yes and enter. We should wait some time. I will pause the video. Yes, it's done now. I just click any button and it's disappeared. And for now, we should find the way where we can take the SDK and DK and this whole stuff what needed for package or launching to the Android device. You should go to your disk C, users, your user. Then you should open the app data, but you should have the invisible folders enabled. To enable them, you should options, view, and you should press show hidden files inside and apply, press OK, and then go to the app data, to the local, to the Android SDK, and we have here SDK and NDK folder. It's great now. Okay, now we can do alt setup in the Unreal Engine connect our SDK and shows the path inside Unreal Engine. We should open project settings, scroll down to the Android SDK, and we should find our SDK. And we should just paste the path inside SDK. And for NDK, we should do the same, but we have NDK folder and we should open, it's important, one more folder, this one. And I just can copy it because it's faster and to paste it here. Now something is bad, okay. NDK, and I will choose it here. Yeah, now we have the great path. And here you just can leave later or write Android on 19, but I have this one. And now we can, for testing, do a package for Android. I know why it's happening. It's just some lag or something. You should close this one and just restart. And now I reopen the project again and we can try to package again. And we can package. You can see we have the now packaging. I will pause the video for this. Now it's done. We have built successful on this new version of Unreal, and we have the new file packaged inside. It's have OB file, but it's okay. I tested inside only APK file. It works the same and great. Hope guys I helped someone with this video, and if you like the video, please like, and thank you for watching. Bye.